This is Lorraine talking to two ladies asking questions. We're still at the Temple University workshop, DHS conference.
Roxanne, this is Roxanne Grinage, CPS Corruption and Government Reform, Rescue of All Ages Children, Demonic Horror Stories, Families Fight Back. She's also a grandmother fighting to see her grandchildren. Her right to see her grandchildren. They would not let her see her grandchildren. Demonic Horror Stories, Families Fight Back. Child slaughter. U.S. economy fraud. Court reform, state of emergency.
Victimized my daughter and caused the prolonged abuse and injuries of Ezekiel and Ariel Brown, my grandchildren. Families here in Philadelphia have galvanized signature campaigns to gather and identify the victims of a corrupt judge, Robert J. Matthews, and have returned 144 signatures, along with his ABA, American Bar Association, litigant survey rate 82%, and his D- as in demonic horror stories.
Yes.
Right? And they want him out. We, the working class, student, and impoverished Philadelphia families victimized by corrupt domestic relations orders of Judge Robert J. Matthews want him out. Watch these dockets. Watch these dockets. To U.S. Eastern District, U.S. District Court, Pennsylvania Eastern District, 209 CV 04119 MSG, 209 CV 05015 MSG, 210 CV 05448 BMS, 210 CV 00179 MSG. Lorraine Grinage versus Sandra Sullivan and Eric Brown. Aggravated assaults upon minors in the commission of Social Security disability fraud, kidnap for profit, racketeering, defraud of Philadelphia Family Court, defraud of Philadelphia Department of Human Services, fraud of Philadelphia Orphans Court, bigamy, want to be a foster mom, testified that she wanted to be a foster mom, and she was asked by Timothy Vicente on August 14th in front of Fern Brown Kaplan why she wasn't a foster mom. She said she did not qualify to be a foster mom, and she would take her boyfriend, her new boyfriend, Eric Brown's children, to be paid foster parent. Watch those dockets. There's a child slaughter, U.S. economy fraud, court reform, state of emergency underway in the Pennsylvania Eastern District. Thank you, Dad. Thanks to today, Justice for Families and Children and HireLyrics Administrative Services, U.S. Public Citizens Docket Database have partnered to let the out-of-towners that are being talked to inside by DHS conference, let them know all is not well here with Philadelphia families and DHS agencies, that DHS agencies here, Anne Marie Ambrose, is aware of and in collusion with Corruption and Family Court to act in factory-like manner to fast-track the sale of our children to DHS contractors, evaluators, foster, and adoption contractors. Thank you. This is Roxanne Grinage, founder, HireLyrics.org.
This is the building where everybody's at right now, upstairs. We could not, as low-income families or anybody else, could not go in because they charged too much money. This is where the head of DHS, Kevin Doherty, all the court heads, CPS workers from here and other parts of the world, they came together in here. As you can see, there's security all around us because they don't want us here to stop us from what they're doing. They just murdered an unborn child from her mother, and and fired a CPS worker who would not take her to get the abortion. The judge signed this order to kill an unborn child, a 6 months pregnant.
No, you